Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix a D3D11 compatible GPU, feature level 11.0, shader model 5.0 is required to run the engine. This error message might be coming on your screen while opening any game like Valorant or Fortnite or any other. So if you have problem getting the same message, same error while opening any game, no need to worry, simply apply the solution I'm sharing in this video and I'm very sure that your problem will be fixed. The first thing that you need to assure that your Windows has been updated and your game is up to date. So on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 type update, from the suggestion choose check for updates. Once this comes up, on the very top you will find check for updates, click on it. It will now start checking for the updates, and if there are any, it will automatically download and install the updates. So in your case, if the update is downloading and installing, just wait until it's been completed. Right now you can see it's downloading and installing as well. So once it's been done, after that we need to apply other solution, and then we need to finally make a restart, and then we will try to check if the problem is fixed. So meanwhile it's been downloading, what else you have to do is you need to check your game updates. So whichever game you are using, if it's I'm not sure about the other game, but if you are playing Valorant, so as soon as you open up your Valorant game, there comes a message to update it, or it automatically goes for an update. Alright, so you need to assure that you just go ahead and check for the update for your game. So once done, and once Windows updates are done, what next you have to do, you need to also update your graphic driver. That is another major cause. So what you have to do on Windows 10 or 11, make a right click on the Windows icon and choose device manager. Once the device manager comes up, you have to look for display adapters. Now here your graphic card will be displayed. If you have two, it will be displayed two graphic card here. I have one. So what you have to do, you just need to make a right click on it and choose update driver. Then go with search automatically for drivers. And now it says the best driver for your device are already installed. So if you also get the same message, it means your driver is up to date. But in case if there are update available, it will automatically update it and your screen will go with a black screen for a while, which means it's been updating your graphic card. Once you are done with this as well, just simply close it, and now you have to download the Visual C++ redistributable files and even the DirectX. So the link will be in the description. You need to come to this website. Now here you will get 3 files here. You need to download them all. Simply click on all of them one by one. And once it's downloaded, you just need to click on it. The setup will come up. Hit on I agree to the license term and condition, then on install. So now it will be initializing and it will be downloaded. Similarly, you have to do the same with the other 2 files that you just downloaded from here. Okay. Meanwhile, it's been initializing and installing on my computer. I will leave another link in the description. You also need to download and install the DirectX end user runtime web installer. So you come to this page, choose your language, then click on download, and this will be downloaded. Once done, just click on it. The setup box again will come up. Hit I accept the agreement, then on next. Just uncheck this option of install the Bing bar, because I don't want this Bing bar. Even I think you also don't need it, so you can uncheck it and then hit on next. Then go with installation complete, then hit on finish. Now once you are all done with these solutions, with these all steps, simply make a restart and check back again. Try restarting your game as an administrator. I'm very sure you won't be getting this error message again. In case if you still get the message, then you have to reinstall the game. So kindly uninstall the game, uninstall everything, and then go ahead and reinstall the game from the website, and hopefully that will work for you. Apparently, what else you can try, you can also try disabling the antivirus protection and the firewall and then open the game. Hopefully this will work for you. And if this worked for you guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.